This video explains how to get the current week number of the current date using the Python programming language. So without much talk, let's dive into the Python code. In this video I will show you an example, and for this example we first need to import the datetime module, as you can see in the first line of code. And then we have to use the today function of the datetime module to create a datetime object that contains the current date. So after running this line of code, a new data object called myDate is created, and we can print this date below the code box after running this line of code. And then you can see that the current date is the 16th of January 2023. Now let's assume that we want to return the current week number of this date. Then we can apply the code that you can see in the third code box. So in this line of code I'm using the isocalendar function, and I'm applying this function to the data object myDate that we have created before. And then I'm storing the output of the isocalendar function in the three data objects year, week num, and day of week. However, this time we are only interested in the data object week num, and we can print this data object below the code box using the print function. In this case, I'm also adding the character string week hashtag in front. So as you can see, after running this line of code, a new output is returned, which is telling us that the 16th of January 2023 is the week number 3 of the current year. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.